Hello everyone, this is Teacher L. For today, we're going to learn about addition of mixed number. So for this example, we have 1 and 1/3 plus 1 and 1/3. The ones, that is a whole number, then the 1/3, that is our fraction. That is why this is a mixed number because it is composed of whole number and a fraction. So for this example, ang solution natin ay add the whole numbers. That is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Tapos we add the numerator since this is a similar fraction. That is 1 plus 1, 2. Then we just copy the denominator, 3, since this is a similar fraction. So our answer is 2 and 2/3. Second example, we have 3 and 2/9 plus 1/9. So for this example, ang solution natin ay first, we add the whole number. Pero since isa lang yung whole number, we just copy it. This is 3. So, copy lang natin yung 3. Tapos, since this is a similar fraction, kasi yung denominator nila ay magkapareha, so we just add 2 plus 1, that is 3. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 9. So, that is 3 and 3/9. Pero yung 3/9, that is divisible by 3. So, we simplify. Copy natin yung whole number na 3. Then, 3 divide 3, that is 1. 9 divide 3, that is 3. So, this would be our final answer, 3 and 1/3. For the next example, we have 2 and 5/7 plus 5 and 1/7. So, first, add natin yung mga whole numbers. So, yung whole numbers natin is 2 plus 5. So, that is 7. Tapos, since this is a similar fraction, kasi yung denominator nila ay 7 na magkapareha, so we just add the numerator. So, that is 5 and 1. So, 5 plus 1, that is 6. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 7. So, that is 7 and 6/7. So, this would be our final answer. Next, we have 4 and 1/7 plus 3 and 1/5. So, for this example, mapapansin natin na yung denominator ng mga fraction natin is magkaiba o dissimilar fraction. So, we have a different approach kung paano natin ito sagutan. So, first, add natin yung mga whole numbers. So, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7. Since this is a dissimilar fraction, we just multiply the denominators. 7 times 5, that is 35. Tapos, we cross multiply. 1 times 5, that is 5. Tapos, 1 times 7, that is 7. Since this is a addition, copy lang natin yung addition sign. So, that is, tapos we simplify. Copy natin yung whole number na 7. Then, we add the numerator. So, that is 5 plus 7. That is 12. Then, copy the denominator na 35. So, this would be our final answer, 7 and 12/35. Meron akong video regarding sa addition of fraction with similar and dissimilar terms. So, paki-check nyo na lang para masundan nyo kung paano mag-add ng dissimilar fraction. So, for our fifth example, we have 6 and 2/5 plus 4 and 5/6. So, first, add natin yung mga whole numbers. That is 6 and 4. So, 6 plus 4, that is 10. Tapos, since this is a dissimilar fraction, we multiply the denominator. So, 5 times 6, that is 30. Then, we cross multiply. 2 times 6, that is 12. Tapos, 5 times 5, that is 25. Tapos, add lang natin yung addition sign dito in between. Tapos, we simplify. We copy the whole number na 10. Then we add 12 plus 25, that is 37. Tapos copy natin yung denominator na 30. So that is 10 and 37 over 30. For the last example, we have 9 and 1 over 10 plus 15 and 2 over 5. So first, we add the 9 plus 15, that is 24. Tapos we multiply the denominator, that is 10 times 5, that is 50. Tapos we cross multiply the fractions, that is 1 times 5, that is equal to 5. Tapos 2 times 10, that is equal to 20. Tapos add lang natin yung addition sign. Tapos we simplify. So that is, copy natin yung whole number na 24. And 5 plus 20, that is 25. Tapos copy lang ang denominator na 50. So kung mapansin ninyo, we have 25 over 50. This can be divided by 25. So that is 25 divide 25, that is 1. 50 divide 25, that is 2. So this would be our final answer, 24 and 1/2. So meron tayo dito mga practice problems and I'll be leaving this to you. Tapos yung mga sagot niyo pwede nyong i-PM or i-comment down below. So I'll be checking your answer. Mag-post na ako ng correct answer sa practice problems na to.